Hello everyone. Today we are going to draw one of the greatest player in the history of football, Lionel Messi. Today we are going to draw with Loomis method. I've already made the reference line. As you can see, hairline, eyebrow line, nose strip line, half face line, then circle, then jaw line, then chin line below it, then side face line, which form a square. So now let's begin our work. So now I am taking charcoal powder with earbuds for outlining purpose. To begin with, I start with hair, eyebrow line, then nose tip line, center line, then side line, likewise at the end chin line. So now I will form a circle because it will be easy in pointing now according to the reference. So as you can see, it is easily formed. Now jawline is being formed, as I have mentioned everything here. Well, I'm matching with a reference image. Am I doing correctly or not? Just to check. So everything is going good from my point of view. So now I'm fading it out just to make a sketch over it and dividing whole portrait into parts, as you can see, using Loomis structure for accurate drawing and better alignment. So let's begin. So as you can see, this is the final outcome, which is phenomenal. It is looking so real. You can use this method to draw any portrait. So Thank you for watching and have a nice day.